Hello, John. How are you today? Hello, John. Are you okay?
Excuse me. Hello, Dr. Jill. Sorry for the delay. I was lost in thought.
Were you daydreaming again?
Yes, imagining what I would do if I finally invest in a successful business.
Pay off all of your debts?
No! Buy more grammar books, of course.
I think you need a new hobby, John.
Yeah, you're probably right. In any case, I was thinking about grammar and daydreams.
How do they connect?
Well, we make certain kinds of statements about unlikely or unreal situations. These statements are called conditional statements, specifically the second conditional statement.
Right. They have an if clause that uses either the past subjunctive or the simple past, and then a main clause that uses a modal and an infinitive.
Exactly. Think of statements such as, if I were rich, I would retire and read grammar books all day. The if clause suggests an unreal situation, and the main clause suggests what would happen in an unreal future.
Or how about this, John? If John talked less about grammar, he would be a more interesting person.
You're teasing me a lot today.
And please note that conditional statements can often be mixed up. The if clause does not have to come first. So I could also say, John would be a more interesting person if he talked less about grammar.
I'm going to go cry.
Just kidding, John. It's great that you love grammar so much. And that's everyday grammar.